Hello, suuuuhuuukids. Are you ready? Let's start. Practice reading CVC sentences. Let's start. A man ran to the wind.
Repeat.
A man ran to the wind. A friend is in the wind.
Repeat.
A friend is in the wind. A rat is on the bed.
Repeat.
A rat is on the bed. A cat is on the mat.
Repeat.
A cat is on the mat. A hat is on the red.
Repeat.
A hat is on the red. Dad has a lad.
Repeat.
Dad has a lad. The lad has a cap.
Repeat.
The lad has a cap. A man is in the cab.
Repeat.
A man is in the cab. A bag is on the cab.
Repeat.
A bag is on the cab. The bag has a tag.
Repeat.
The bag has a tag. The ram has yam.
Repeat.
The ram has yam. Bye bye kids. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe.